Kenny Hoover Gardening Simplified. It's April 30th. We're out here at the corn and the potato patch. We're going to see how it's doing. Do an update. Well, our Jimmy Red corn is doing pretty good. It's up about 4 foot now. I had to extend the sprinkler head so they can sprinkle over the top. Supposed to get some rain today, but we watered last night. You can't never be for sure when you're counting on the weatherman. Now I have sprayed this corn twice with spinosad and neem oil real early in the last video you saw, and then I just did this day before yesterday. Again, this will be the last time it gets treated. They really get too tall. Once it starts to put silks out and shoots up its tassels, I don't like to spray anything because the bees like to come out and collect pollen from it. But anyway, as you can see, it's pretty tall now. In the center, it's a little bit lower, but we've got this big oak tree that shades it some in the evening, which is, I'm going to say, has affected that a little bit. That's not going to be a problem. This corn is really looking good. We'll come down here to the potatoes. Now these ones on this end, they ain't not doing near as good as the rest of them. This is my red potatoes, and this is my Yukon Gold. They're doing good. They're still a month away. We've been coming out here regular and vacuuming up all the potato bugs. There haven't been a lot. We've been kind of keeping a close eye on them. Make sure we keep them down. But in about another month, we'll be harvesting this. But anyway, here's a short video. You can see how well the corn's doing. Like I say, on this end, it's considerably shorter. But like I say, I think that's partially the shade. And I know corn always does real good around the edge. But we should have plenty of corn for what our needs are. In fact, we should have more than enough. But I hope you enjoyed this update. If you want to see more content like this, of course, hit that subscribe, hit the bell, select all, give it a big thumbs up, and share this video. Enjoy that gardening experience.